Hey YouTube, Brian here with another vacuum cleaner video. This time it's for my Hoover Powermax self-propelled heavy duty. Again, I had done a video on this before when I had first gotten it and it was missing some stuff, but now I have those parts, they're put on, and now it's the way I wanted to do. Before it didn't have the hose, so now I have the hose. Didn't have the extension ones, but now I found ones that are close to it. So I'm happy with that. Found one of the attachments, so now it has the attachments. And I had put a new handle on it. Found the handle on eBay, bought it, so now I have the new handle on it, so now you can actually see what it says. So, back of the vacuum. So, and this is one of my favorites. Glad I got this vacuum. So I'll show it to you running now. I'll put it back together. So there is an update video on my Hoover Powermax self-propelled heavy duty. Hope you guys enjoy the video and wait for the next one.